Freddie McGregor, born on June 27, 1956, in Clarendon, Jamaica, is one of reggae music's most iconic figures. Known for his powerful, soulful voice, McGregor has been a central figure in the genre for over 6 decades. His contributions to reggae, both as a performer and a producer, have solidified his status as a true legend, and his influence on subsequent generations of artists is undeniable. Kindly subacribe to this channel as we delve deeper into his lifestyle and music career. Lifestyle, grounded in faith and family. Freddie McGregor's lifestyle is deeply connected to his Rastafarian faith and family values. Raised in a spiritual household, McGregor became a devoted follower of Rastafarianism early in life. His beliefs in peace, love, and unity are not only guiding principles in his personal life, but also recurring themes in his music. He follows a natural Ital diet, reflecting the Rastafarian belief in clean living, and is known for promoting self-awareness, humility, and social justice through his actions and songs. McGregor is a family man, placing great importance on raising his children with strong values and supporting their aspirations. He has passed down his musical passion to his sons, Stephen D. Genius McGregor and Daniel Chino McGregor, both of whom have established successful careers as musicians and producers. Despite his fame, Freddie remains grounded and connected to his roots, consistently reflecting humility and spirituality in his life. Reggae career, a journey through time. Freddie McGregor's career began when he was just 7 years old, recording at Studio One under the guidance of reggae pioneer Coxsone Dodd. As part of the group the Clarendonians, McGregor was immersed in Jamaica's burgeoning reggae scene from a young age. However, it was in the late 1970s and early 1980s that his solo career truly took flight. His breakthrough came with the release of Bobby Babylon in 1980, a song that established him as a significant voice in the roots reggae movement. The 1982 hit Big Ship propelled him to international fame, becoming one of the most recognizable anthems in reggae history. McGregor's rich, emotive voice, often compared to that of American soul legend Sam Cooke, allowed him to master various subgenres of reggae, including lovers rock, roots, and gospel. Throughout his career, McGregor has consistently delivered songs that resonate with fans around the world. Albums like D-Captain and Across the Border showcase his versatility, blending conscious lyrics with infectious rhythms. In addition to his recording career, McGregor is also a respected producer and the owner of Big Ship Recording Studio, which has become a cornerstone of Jamaican music production. Net worth, a career built on legacy. As of 2024, Freddie McGregor's net worth is estimated to be around $5 million. His earnings have come from decades of album sales, international tours, and music production. His Big Ship Recording Studio has become a major asset, attracting top reggae talent and solidifying his role as a leader in the music industry. McGregor's wealth, however, is not just monetary. His contributions to the cultural and spiritual fabric of reggae are invaluable. He continues to perform globally, inspiring new generations with his timeless music and his message of unity and love. Legacy, a pillar of reggae. Freddie McGregor's legacy is defined by his consistency, authenticity, and dedication to reggae music. Over the years, he has received numerous awards, including Grammy nominations, and his influence can be seen in the work of countless artists. Whether through his iconic songs or his nurturing of young talent, Freddie McGregor has remained a central figure in the world of reggae. His ability to evolve with the times while staying true to his roots has ensured that his music will endure for years to come, making him a true legend in every sense of the word. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to this channel.